Immigrant moms, working hard but still feeling stuck? I was as well until I found a way. Hi, my name is Aziza, a finance professional and an online business owner and mentor. Originally from Nigeria, living in Austria with my family, I used to be overwhelmed, juggling within, working over hours, family, and so on, while still living from paycheck to paycheck, and leaving me with little or no time for things that really mattered. This bothered me so much until I found this online business and I was excited. It had automation, it had step by step training, coaching, and mentorship, and a fantastic support system. All I had to do was simply watch the info webinar, get my business package, plug in, and follow the system. And that's exactly what I did. Now, almost 3 years in, apart from my passive income that I earn from this business, I've gained within this short period more than I have gained in the last 10 years in my 9 to 5 job. And I am excited about the future. I now help and mentor fellow women, fellow immigrant moms that are also searching for freedom to start their own online business as well, while gaining their time freedom, earning from the comfort of their home using just their device and Wi-Fi. Click the link and leave your name and email address to watch the webinar. Today, I am excited because I am bringing women from various professional backgrounds who are running their online business successfully and are ready to share their experience. Take a listen.
My name is Georgina. I stay in the UK with my family, but I'm originally from Nigeria. I used to wake up, work, care for family, and this goes on repeat. No time, no freedom, just survival. But with this business, I wake up with purpose.
Hi, my name is Claribel. I'm originally from Nigeria. I'm based in the UK. I'm a certified nursing assistant. Work, bills, and responsibilities. Every day felt the same and nothing was changing until I found this online business that changed everything for me.
My name is Hannah. I'm based here in the UK. I'm originally from Zimbabwe and a registered nurse by profession. I started this business because I knew I needed something more, something that works even when I'm tired.
My name is Mary, originally from Nigeria, but live in the United Kingdom, a retired midwife. I was tired of constantly trading time for money and still struggling.
My name is Aziza, originally from Nigeria and a finance professional living in Vienna, Austria. People think living abroad means success and they don't see how hard it is just to survive. But thank goodness this online business has been the perfect backup for me and my family.
Hi, I'm Daphne, a South African residing in the UK, working as a registered nurse. Today, I still care for my family in South Africa, but now I have more options, more income, and hope again.
We are still mothers. We still work hard, but now we're building something for ourselves too. My name is Oluche. I'm a Nigerian mom of 4 living in the UK. I work in the healthcare industry. So if you are tired of just surviving, if you want more income, more time, more options, this could be your turning point. Join our free webinar and see how ordinary women are building income online without quitting their jobs. Click the link now. Your story can change too.
So, you heard it. If any of our stories resonates with you and you feel the nudge to learn more about this amazing business, then hit the link around this video and leave your name and valid email address. You will receive the link to watch the free info webinar. Chat me on my business number and let's get you connected right away. Talk to you soon.